Hello everyone. So this is our very first video about spoken Hindi basics, and with this basics we can easily frame sentences. In future I will be posting videos around its usage, and we will continue according to that only. So let's start with the video. So first we'll see what are all the pronouns we have and what are their meanings. Okay. So pronoun. So what is our first pronoun? I. Now the meaning of I in Hindi is मैं, and the helping verb which we use with I is always am, and the meaning of am in Hindi is whom. It is whom. Again, he or she. Whether we are using it for male or female. In case of I also same. In case of he or she also same. So it will become va. It will become va. And as we know that with he and she we use is as a helping verb. So the meaning of is in Hindi is hai. So we have to very clear about hai, whom. The pronunciation should be very clean. Now next is it. The meaning of it in Hindi is yah, and again the helping verb which we use is, and the meaning of is in Hindi hai. Same way the meaning of this in Hindi is known as yah, and its helping verb meaning in Hindi is hai. So we need to understand that I, he, she, it, this, whether it is masculine or feminine, okay, the meaning will remain same, but only the gender change. So once we start framing sentences, then where there we'll see how to use it. Okay. Next, we have that. So the meaning of that in Hindi is vah, and the helping verb which we use it is, and is meaning in Hindi hai. So वह always comes with है. We need to remember why है, because is. They means ये, or they means वे, and the helping verb which we use are meaning in Hindi है. And same way if we use we means हम. Same helping verb we will use which is known as are, and the meaning of are in Hindi is है. So our next word is you. So you means तुम, you means tum, and you means aap. So now we need to understand where to use aap and where to use tum. So when you are talking with friends, or where in case you can say in case of informal uses, we use tum and we use aap. If you pay attention, the helping verb is are in both cases. Actually, these are same, only the meaning is different. Okay, so it is are, but we have to be very careful. Tum comes with ho and aap comes with hai. In some modern uses, people say ho also, but don't get confused. So as per rule, it is ho, and aap will come with hai. Now we need to remember. See, this table is very simple. Only we need to remember few things. Okay. First of all, this line should be very clear. This row should be very clear. So the meaning of I, मैं, he, she, वह, it, यह, this, यह, that, वह, they, ये और वे, we, हम, you, तुम, and you, आप. There's one more meaning, so let's not go there because that is very, like, it sounds little, it doesn't sound polite. Okay. Now we know where to use am, where to use is, and where to use are. Okay. So I always comes with am. Any singular thing, it will come with is, and if it is plural, it will come with are. Now we need to remember one thing. Many people get confused between this. I will try to give you a trick. It's not a trick, I will try to simplify it. So basically am means whom. Just remember am means whom, is means hai, and are means hai. Okay, three things you have to remember. In case of tum, only remember ho. So never say I have observed many people say मैं है. So they will use है with मैं, or ho with मैं. Okay, don't do that. So मैं will come with whom. Any singular thing where you are using is, so always remember it is है. R means है, and exception case is तुम, so it will become ho. So hope you will like this video, and if there is any thing which I am not clear, so just mention in the comment box. We'll try to make another video related to this, or if any other topic you want us to make video and discuss, so we can do that. Please put your idea or put your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.